Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll show you how to use search bar in Windows to quickly find apps, files and settings. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe Mr. TechFox for more quick tech tips. Alright, let's get started. First, click on the search bar which is located on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Once it's open, just start typing the name of the app, file or setting you are looking for. For example, if you type settings, you will see the settings app appear in the search results. You can also use the search bar to find files by typing in keywords. For example, if you are looking for a document, just type part of the file name and Windows will show related results. If you need to search the web, you can do that too. Just type your query and Windows will show web search results directly in the search bar. You can also use filters at the top like apps, documents, settings and web to narrow down your search results. And that's how easy it is used to the search bar in Windows. If this was helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tutorials. See you next time.